Hi, to enable auto brightness on your Vivo X100 Pro, we will need to go into settings first, and here find the display and brightness tab. So the first thing we can do is to adjust the brightness by dragging the slider left or right like that. And now we can see adaptive brightness feature. It is currently disabled, but we can enable it by tapping on the switcher, and now the brightness of the display will adjust depending on the lighting around you. So here you can enable it or disable, and if it's blue then it is enabled. And to reach this feature easily, you can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. And here you would see this brightness tab as well, and the letter A, which is for adaptive brightness. If it's blue then it is enabled, if it's gray like that so you can tap it, it is disabled. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.